Once you have set up your project, it's time to find sources to pull information from to include in your paper. To do this, you're going to go to the Sources tab. Now, one great place to find information, if you go back to Insignia for BOCES, you can use Worldbook, which provides a safe search for articles at varying levels. So I'm going to choose an option for middle school, maybe 5th, 6th graders. If you go to Student, and I'm going to be searching for Germany. So now I've got different articles about Germany, about the language, about the culture, about maybe some battles in Germany. But if I open up this main article, I could use this as a source. So I'm going to go back to Noodle Tools and hit New Source and create a website source. So you notice that when I pulled up the source, it gave you different options for in hand, for databases. I chose the website because, of course, that's what my article is coming from. So I'm going to fill in the information about my article, and this is going to help build an in-text citation as well as a works cited for the end of my paper. So I'm simply going to go back and get the URL from the article. And the publication date is 2019. If I go all the way down to the bottom, I can find more information about the contributor for this article. And I can even cheat a little bit and use the MLA style that is here to find that date of publication. Noodle Tools will ask me the day I've accessed it, and if it is today, I can simply click on that today link and it will fill that in for me. And now we're on to the contributors. So I can mark that this is the author of the article. And if I go down, I can find the author. So I would highly recommend copying and pasting these names so that you ensure that the spelling is correct. And this can be done on an iPad or on a computer. And then you can fill in the suffix if appropriate. The title of the article is simply Germany, nice and simple. And now the name of the website. And as you notice, as I'm clicking on these boxes, this page is going to pop up and is telling me how to fill it out and giving me suggestions on where to look to find that information. And this is happening because we said that we were a starter level in MLA citation. And that's one of the great reasons why we want to click that, especially if we are beginning, because we can get some guidance. So the name of the website is Worldbook. And publisher, if I go back to the article, if I can cheat a little bit, the Worldbook student becomes the publisher. So once I save this source, it's going to bump me back to my sources page, and all the sources I add will come underneath here. Under my options, I get different options to edit annotation, to copy this source, and I can even check out the in-text citation. If I'm not sure what it should look like, it has taken this source material and have created an example. And it will explain to me the rules, the placement, all the good stuff about an in-text citation and what it might look like, just as a guidance. So once we have found all the sources that I need, I can, well, first of all, I can go back to the dashboard because I've completed one of my to-do items. I have found an article for a fun fact about Germany, so I can click that being done. And I'm now going to use my note cards to start writing down facts about the information I found in the article, and that's where we'll pick up in our next video.